What's going on, y'all YouTubers out there? My name is O'Donio G. I'm the supervisor at the Super Beauty by Greenbrier Mall. You can get a quick shot of my Remy section right here. You want to do that. Today I want to tell you a little bit about some Zuri hair. I got 3 different types of Zuri hair. Yeah, that's my Remy. Check that out. I'm charged all that like that. So now, Super Beauty will demonstrate for you the differences between some hairs. What we have here is all Zuri brands, Idol, Ultra Yaki, Perm, Version Remy Hollywood, and I would say extra version Remy Indio first class hair right here. Differences. Of course, all the Remy hairs is just like Remy. What it means is like a genre, like you have cuticle alignment. But what that means is like all your hair is facing one direction, like a real human head. If you put a hair follicle on a microscope, you know what I'm talking about. It has a little ridges. They call the cuticle. These hairs right here, they have multi-directional cuticles, meaning like you have hair facing going this way, hair facing going that way. So to me, that tells me that the hair would, the friction between the two would cause it to tangle up faster, mat up quicker. That's why they always say, well, why does these two, why does it tangle up and mat up and nap up? Well, that's pretty much a good reason why it would do that, because of the cuticle crisscross. Also with these idle hair, it's a C quality hair. It has a lot of shorter hairs in it, and you can get a zoom in on this. It starts way at the top. Go ahead. See how that is like that, and it gets a little bit worse on the way down. You can kind of see it all the way down. So what that's telling me is, okay, when you put this in, it's already going to be layered. So it's already going to have hairs like that. Then you have shorter hairs in that track. So it's going to frizz up quick. A couple of days, you're going to have hair sticking out everywhere. Especially if you got comb and you got static going on. It's only good for like a couple of days on this one. This one's the same deal, but you don't get as many short hairs in this one. So, see, it's smooth at the top, fairly, with 1 or 2 hairs sticking out. You probably start seeing some about mid-range. So it's good for a quickly, even a sew-in for like a month is good. Zuri Ultra Yaki is good hair. The Idol is good hair, it's just, the short hairs in it. Also, these two, like they're coming from, the reason why it's like that is how they put it together. This one, you have like buckets of hair. So they don't really pay attention to which way the hair is actually facing when they wet it. What they do is give it a really heavy chemical treatment to kind of like strip the cuticle. So it all seems like it's going in one direction, or it looks natural. But what it does is it makes the hair weak, and it tends to break up quicker. They say your Remy hair. All your roots on one end. It's virgin hair, so that means they're getting it from a couple selected heads, maybe 10 to 15 heads with similar texture. So they do a light chemical treatment to it. Also, like I said, all the hair is facing one direction. Also, you're going to have your longer lips in this one. You do a close up on that. No short hairs. No short hairs. You got to go way at the bottom of this one. So the hair is going to be layered anyway, so it's going to retain that natural look, which a lot of people are concerned about. Hair facing the same direction. So it really doesn't matter how much you really throw it around. The tangle's supposed to come right out. Of course, all hair tangles, but it's supposed to tangle less, a lot less, and last a lot longer because of the light chemicals put on it. That's why I still consider virgin Remy, because it's coming from selected heads. 10 to 15. And something like Indio, which is, like I said, it's still Zuri, but it's more virgin than this one. You can actually see how it rises off the pack like that, because it still have the cuticle on the hair follicle still. So it's more thicker, meaning it's more stronger. So that's pretty much the differences in a nutshell. So that's it. See B, A, first class.
Now, isn't there a special on the Indio right now?
Oh yeah, actually there is on the 10-inch. The 10S, actually 10 short. 1 and 1B is usually $100. Right now it's $39.99. $39.99 for the Indio. It's just an awesome deal right there. I had people come in and get 4 or 5 packs of these at a time. That's how serious it is. And that's like the regular price of a 10-inch at Hollywood. So yeah, come on in, get your Indio 10-inch, get your bob on, whatever. Get you about 10 packs.
What do you recommend to take care of the Remy hair and all the weave hair?
I only recommend that awesome product. These hair extensions is really dead hair. I mean, the only way it can get its nutrients or protein that it needs to actually, last is you have to do it manually. And awesome, it has some stuff to do it with. They even have something if you want to reuse the hair, or the refreshing treatment. I give all my customers one of these just so she can review it, or whoever. The detangler leave-in conditioner probably the best seller. It makes the hair, it detangles the hair and makes it more manageable. Shampoo, conditioner, once a week I recommend. So you put the proteins and vitamins, nutrients, whatever it needs back into the hair, because regular water won't do it. I don't even recommend using purified water, because pH balances can damage hair too. So I just found that out. So yeah, awesome product. That's how you take care of it.